I'm Skylar Vettese with Smallegan Real Estate, and I'm here with Sarah and Graham Singer. They just bought a house in East Grand Rapids, and it's super beautiful. It just got flipped and restored, so I'm super excited for them. So I have a few questions I want to ask them, and if you guys want to answer them for me, that'd be great.
Of course.
Do you guys have any advice that you'd give to anybody that's kind of starting their home search in this market? Or
I'd say look online, but then go see as many as possible, because when you see them, they're totally different, and you might like some things that you didn't think you would originally. So just tour as many as you can.
I'd say that too. I always try to get my clients out in houses before, because they're completely different. They're either completely different in picture than they are in person, or they're completely different in person than they are in the pictures. It can go both ways. So I completely agree with that. And do you guys have anything to say about, moving to West Michigan, and kind of any advice to give to people there, or like what was your telling decision on coming here specifically?
I think it's just as beautiful here. And if you're looking to get out of the big city, follow our lead.
And then how was your guys' experience working with myself and the Smallegan team?
It was great. Yeah, we're first-time home buyers, so we didn't, kind of knew what to expect, but didn't really at the same time, and having a great line of communication, and then kind of feeling like we had you in our corner was awesome, and can't imagine not having somebody.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, of course.